Hello and welcome to my newest video. Today I'm going to take a quick first look at Blockchain Game Summit. Now I have been doing two videos before. I think one video was about two different upcoming events, all about blockchain gaming, crypto gaming, and where a lot of people meet that are kind of influencers in the whole industry, that have kind of a platform in the whole blockchain game space, and also are developers, publishers, game developers, but also video game enthusiasts and investors like me, for example. And this one is another one. I think the last one was about the Crypto Games Conference in Kiev, and also about I think was the Blockchain Gamer Connects in San Francisco. And this one is all about the Blockchain Game Summit. So this is just going to be a short first look video. This one is going to be in September this year, so it's around like 2 months left, a little bit more than 2 months, 3 months actually, because it's at the end of September, and it's going to be in France, in Lyon. Blockchain Game Summit, build together games of tomorrow, networking, meet with the industry experts, blockchain enthusiasts, vendors, and exhibitors, all looking to provide solutions in blockchain or gaming. Work hands-on with industry blockchain experts. Make sure. Okay, so workshops, a lot of these, which is always great because you kind of have a meaningful discussion. You can talk with knowledgeable people about the whole space, and I think it's one of the key determinants of having a long-term success and eventually reaching mass adoption for the whole video game industry when it comes to blockchain integration. Speakers organized by the industry leaders within both gaming and blockchain. The participants of the Blockchain Game Summit will lead the way for the future of gaming. That's great. Join hundreds of blockchain game professionals. So there's a lot of information you can read through. Open standards, industry roundtables, and workshops, everything you need to know. So this is all about the specifics, about the technology behind it. Asset storage on blockchain, graphic designs, 3D models, musical components, wallets for gamers, obviously all about the information about the different cryptocurrency wallets. One of the main wallets I guess people know about is the Engine wallet, which kind of provides a basis for I think most of the ERC20 tokens or EC721 tokens. Again, I'm not a technological guy, I still don't know the exact difference. To be honest, I'm just talking about these whole games and doing these videos from a consumer point of view mainly. Game design with blockchain in mind, implement blockchain into the game design, create a relevant user experience. I think these two are mainly the key drivers and the key determinators of success as well, because most of the games recently kind of failed, or a lot of them failed to grasp the main point of providing of kind of releasing any kind of blockchain or crypto game, which is having fun gameplay and just leaving the blockchain integration as a side part, as a side note, to have meaningful advantage of blockchain, instead of just having blockchain as a marketing scheme, because there's so much hype about cryptocurrency, which is actually dying out a bit right now. At least it's kind of on a lower level in mid of 2018. But yeah, again, implement blockchain into the game design and create a relevant user experience should be the key drivers of any kind of blockchain developer and game that is in progress to be made, in my opinion. Scalability solutions, chains. So this is also an important part, which I have been talking about recently, and more recently on my channel. Channel side chains, charting, and more. So there has to be kind of a solution to the whole scalability problem. Obviously, you probably have heard about the whole network congestion issue with CryptoCredits back in the day. I think was beginning of this year, 2018, January, February, where it kind of completely got clogged and you couldn't really use Ethereum as a blockchain or the smart contracts anymore because transactions took forever. And there are a lot of great products and great platforms, developers out there that try to kind of find a solution to that. So one of them being sidechains. I think Loom Network is one of the main leading companies that try to provide valuable sidechain solutions. So you basically put most of the resource heavy load of any kind of game, especially when it comes to scaling it up to a lot of players running on your servers, if you want to call them servers, on the side chain. So these will be decentralized, and then the main chain can still do whatever it wants to or has to do when it comes to the actual blockchain integration. Another way obviously being partial integration, where you have the main parts of value asset, digital asset trades, purchasing in-game currencies, selling them to others, run on the blockchain, where it has its main advantages like 100% ownership and trades without any percentage taken from the developers or publishers, and you actually run the whole gameplay part, if it's not just turn-based, for example, still on the servers, like it's usually being done right now in the video game industry. So there are a lot of different ways to do it, in my opinion, and it's definitely great that Blockchain Gamer Summit tries to provide different ways and roundtables, workshops to kind of find solutions by discussing with those who know best, basically. You also have tools and libraries for game development, Unity, 3D, and Unreal Engine, accounting. Definitely interesting ideas. So there are already a few speakers in here, not too many actually right now, but maybe they're going to get more until September approaches. Which one do you have? Oh, you only have like the guys behind the whole summit, I guess, yet. But maybe they're just going to release more speakers soon. Hopefully it's going to be as successful as Crypto Games Conference, and also especially the one in San Francisco, the Blockchain Gamer Connects. I think it was really successful as far as I've heard from different people. You can actually get a ticket right now. This is actually quite expensive, 650 euros for early bird ticket. Is it expensive? Maybe someone in the comments below can shed some light on that. I'm not really sure how much it costs for the other two conferences. Maybe it's not as expensive. But yeah, all the information about what you get for the different sponsor packs as well. So you have silver, gold, platinum. I'm not really going to go through those, I'm sorry, in detail. Oh, you actually have Crypto Gamers Community as one of the partners. I'm also partnering up right now with them. So I did my partnership announcement video a few days back. So this is really interesting. I didn't really know about that. So they probably already promoted it on their website as well. Ubisoft is actually one of the sponsors, which is quite interesting. Obviously, being one of the household names in the whole video game industry is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, definitely check out Blockchain Game Summit. Maybe if you're interested, maybe if you're a developer, maybe if you're just an investor, maybe if you're just a gamer who's interested in seeing this whole industry succeed. Definitely check out this summit if you're interested in going there. It's in Lyon in France, and it's going to be at the end of September this year, so you still have a little bit of time left to order a ticket. Let me just quickly check out the venue. That's a really nice venue. Musée de Confluences. I don't know how to pronounce it, to be honest. I was really terrible in French. So yeah, definitely check this one out. They have a lot of featured in different outlets, media outlets. They have a lot of, well, not a lot of, but one of the biggest partners in the whole video game industry, and they have some speakers as well already. Hopefully this develops in a fully fleshed summit, and I can soon talk about the whole experience that people had, and just, yeah, hopefully it's going to be great. Check it out. Please leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about these different summits. Maybe once you have been there in September, you can also leave a comment, even though it's still around 2 to 3 months ahead. Other than that, I'm going to post a link to blockchaingamesummit.com in the video description, as I always do. Definitely check this one out. And if they have a Discord or Telegram channel, I'm also going to post that, so you can talk to the main guys behind the whole summit, and maybe to some community if there is one as well. Yeah, there's a Telegram channel, so you can definitely check this one out. Other than that, hope you liked the video. Hope you're interested in these kind of summits and events. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.